So I made it to country number 11. It was a long travel day, or I've had here. But I'm at country number 11. My Airbnb is really cute. I specifically picked this type of Airbnb because I just wanted to get back with nature. But it's hot. I gotta find a standing fan or find out from my host where the standing fan is. But I am in Grenada, and I am so excited to be here. It's hot. It's like 87 degrees with some breeze. My B&B is so cute. Like, this would be my dream house in the Caribbean. Starting out. Because you gotta start, you gotta start small. But this would be my dream house. Simple, nature, breeze flowing. Let me give you a room tour. Okay, so this is my view when I walk in. So for starters, it's very simple. We have the bathroom through there, and this is the bed. Let me show you the bathroom. Simple, basic kind of bathroom. Then a place to eat, a TV. I haven't checked in what's in these cupboards, so let's see together. Extra pillow, iron. Oh, a mosquito net. I don't even know how I would hang that over the bed. I have to check the screens. Well, it's dry season too, so there might not be mosquitoes. I don't know. I'm sweating crazy. I'm starting to second guess my decision here, but let me show you. So this is the kitchen. Basic stove. This was not dripping when I walked in. Hold on. Because I was informed that it's dry season, so we don't want to waste water. And here you have it. Simple, basic room. Let me show you my view from the outside. Oh, this breeze is so lovely. Look at the view. Do you see the mountains? Like, it's really nice. Very cute house. This is the round side. This is the kitchen door. Right here, this green door is the kitchen door. We got some plants. It's really lovely. I'm about to strain the water because I have a filter bottle with me. I'm about to do that. So I can have something to drink. And relax for a bit. But there you have it. This is my very simple, very down to earth, back to nature Airbnb in the Spice Island. Okay, so you've seen my accommodation. Now it's time for me. I have to map where the grocery store is because I have to get food, right? Have to get food. I think I'm going to change into some shorts. It is way too hot for these jeans and t-shirt, but I'm going to keep the t-shirt on and switch to shorts. So that's the plan right now. Figure out, I'm going to strain some water, drink it, and then map out the supermarket so I can get water and stuff. Buy groceries, food. I need food in my life. I'm going to figure out where I'm going to go for food because I'll probably go to the grocery, get my basics, and then go get food to eat. I'm working with limited cash. I have 160 US and I have $20 EC, and I was hoping to put the rest on my credit card, but I'm not sure if credit cards is a big thing here, so we might be on an extreme budget. Who knows? But yeah, welcome to Grenada. Please tell me you can hear the music in the background. This is why I love the Caribbean. Okay, so I washed my face and Does this have a screen? Yeah, okay, because the mosquitoes is. Yeah, I spoke too soon because I got like 8 mosquito bites. Oh, I see some fruits in the back by the water tank. Um, so I'm about to go to the supermarket and I'm bringing you with me to the supermarket. And I'm gonna get some food because it's supposed to be like a fish and roti shop or something like that. I don't know. Let's hope they take cards. I have some cash though, but I'm trying to like hold on because I gotta take the bus and stuff too. Like, so I gotta have cash for the bus. And like I said, I have $160 cash on me and then 20 EC. So let's go to the supermarket to get a big container of water, to get some basics. I'm not even gonna tell you what I'm gonna get because we're gonna go get it together. So let's go. All right, so this is a quick look at the neighborhood. Look at the mangoes. So I'm walking to the supermarket. Hi, good day. Good, thank you. How are you? Look at the bananas. Well, it's my first day here, so I'm excited. Have a good night. And I think this is where we're going. Yeah, this is where we're going, to the supermarket there. Go Food. That's where we're going, and we're going to get something to eat too. Alright, so here's a little bit of supermarket. I'm not really recording like that because I'm trying to figure out like what these prices. I got some eggs, butter, might be some mayonnaise. I got some bread, soups, water. Listen, these prices is different. Alright, so I came back from the supermarket. I didn't record too much because I was so confused. Like, what am I gonna buy when I was looking at the prices? So let me tell you, in total, I spent 159.50 EC, and I'm gonna tell you how much that is in US, right? Let me see. I'll also just tell you like how much to charge my card because I don't know what rate. So 159.50. 58.87 is what I spent on my in the grocery store. So let me see how much I actually charge my credit card. Let's see that amount. Because it doesn't necessarily have to be using the rate, right? So let's see. Alright, so I was charged $59.33 on my credit card. Let me show you all that I got. Okay, so I got some bread. I saw somebody get like 2 of these, so I picked it up. I got 3 packs of soup, and some potatoes. I got some. It's so hot. Like, let me give you a better. Alright, so this is some of the stuff that I bought. So I got 3 packs of soup, butter, potatoes, bread, chips, and then I'm gonna show you in the fridge because it's hot. So I got some local eggs, the big bottle of 5-liter water. I got some cookies, some mayonnaise, digestive biscuits, cheese to make breakfast. And then in here I have fish sticks, Gordon's fish sticks, and some frozen broccoli because you gotta have a vegetable with your dinner, right? So that's everything that I bought. Alright, so that's everything that I bought for $59. Like $60. Like that's kind of wild. $60 for a few things. How many items? 21 items. I also got some fresh bananas off the tree. My host brought these to me. I'm so excited to eat these. Like, bananas off the tree. Whole nother class and level of bananas. So right now I'm making dinner. I'm making the potatoes. So I got some for tomorrow. I make these potatoes with the fish sticks. I'm gonna rush you up here. I'm making mashed potatoes with fish sticks. Oh, you crooked. There we go. mashed potatoes with fish sticks and broccoli. That's why I gotta put the broccoli on because the water is almost boiling for the mashed potatoes. And I'm not turning on the oven. I'm not crazy. I might have to turn on the oven because I am crazy. Like, why would I buy something that gotta go in the oven? Knowing it's hot, like, okay, how could you eat this up? I don't want to turn on the oven. Like, I feel like I could put this in a pan with some butter and fry it in butter. Could be able to cook them low and slow with the oil in it come out on its own. I don't know. I'm gonna sort it out. I'm gonna put the broccoli on. I'm gonna sort it out, and I'll let y'all see my dinner when I'm done. All right. So first dinner in Grenada is looking so promising. Let me show you. All right, my potatoes taste so good. My broccoli is cooking, and my fish sticks is going. I'm making enough to just put away for tomorrow, so I could just warm it in the microwave. Cause I have a microwave, so I could just warm it tomorrow for lunch. Yeah. So dinner is cooking. So yeah, let me tell you something. I'm really just here practicing for when I get my little board house or zinc house in the Caribbean, because let me tell you, I might be from New York City and I might be a Brooklyn girl, but the Caribbean life fits me. It's in my blood, it's in my DNA. So that's what I'm really enjoying myself. First day, I went grocery shopping, making dinner, and relaxing. Tomorrow, we might go to the beach, but I'll check back in with you when my food is ready. All right, so I want to end day one here. Um, my food came out delicious. I ate all of the broccoli, but I do have mashed potatoes and fish sticks that I just put away. I'll just have to make more broccoli. Dinner was great. I spent some time outside in the veranda or the gallery or the patio or the porch, whatever you call it where you're from. I spent some time out there vibing to the music from the pool hall right across the street. And it was just magical. It was just magical. So now I'm going to go to sleep. It is, I think, like 10 o'clock. I am exhausted. And I want to wake up early to watch the sunrise. And maybe go down to the beach. I haven't decided yet. But tomorrow is Saturday. I feel like the beach might be crowded. And there was a lot of people flying in because of Memorial Day weekend. I'll let you know. But I want to end it here. I didn't want to leave it incomplete. I wanted you to know I finished cooking. My food was so good. I know it ain't take much. It was just heating stuff up or whatever, what have you. But I ain't eat nothing all day. So that was the first thing I ate today. I brushed my teeth. I rinsed my face off. Now I'm ready for bed. My food was great. I had a banana that my host had bought for me. They're not ready yet, but it was still good. So I'm going to just end the vlog here. I'll see you tomorrow.